In this video, I'll show you how to remove the SIM card tray on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it's pretty similar, but you have to watch out for something here with the where to press the hole. It's pretty much very similar on all Samsung Galaxy phones, but you have to watch out for something here. I will show you right now. So first, take the phone out of the case and be careful not to break the case like this one. Once the phone is out, you can clean it a little bit. This is the time to clean it and the case. Give it a nice clean. So this is the white Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the white version. And you have to look here. You have here, this is the S Pen, this is the pen. That's the S Pen, that's a speaker. This here is a microphone, or they are both microphones, I'm not sure. But if you see, there are two holes here. Now to show it quickly. So it's important here on the S23 Ultra, I'm not sure on the other models, on the Plus and the Standard, you have a hole on the left side of the port and a hole on the right side of the port, and then another hole where this is the actual hole where you put a pin in to open the SIM card tray. Do not put a pin here, this is a microphone. So you don't want to put the pin in the hole on the left here. The hole on the left here is the microphone, the hole on the right is the right one, and I think they are both microphones. For this, I will take a paper clip, a simple paper clip. To open the SIM card tray, you don't need the SIM insertion, you don't need the SIM opening tool. All you really need is a paper clip. Simple standard paper clip, it's nothing special. And you will open it here. And you have to put the paper clip in that hole, not on the left here. So press in. And it opens. It might need a bit of force though, so have to really pull it because there is a seal there, so you have to really pull this tray out. And that's the SIM card. That's the SIM card, and you can actually have two SIM cards. You can have SIM, this is the slot for SIM 1, nano SIM. The nano SIM goes in here. When you're done changing it, you can change the SIM card or add a new one. You reinsert the SIM card tray and make sure it goes all the way in, that it doesn't stick out in any way, to make sure the seals do their job to keep the water out from the SIM card tray. Make sure you still have signal for your mobile after you change the SIM, and it's there. That's it. You change the SIM card, remove the SIM card tray, reinsert the SIM card tray, all with the paper clip. Very simple. They should be the thin one, the simple one, because the thick ones will not fit in the hole there. Pretend to clean the case a little bit. Now the phone is ready. Thanks for watching.